let's continue with still in 2.2 absolute value, but for now we look at for part absolute inequalities. All right, so absolutes, you know, it is involving modulus. Inequalities is our these four symbols. All right, okay, let's first go to the properties. All right, properties of absolute value inequalities. All right, let's go for number 1. What do we have? We have modulus x less than a for a greater than 0. All right, so modulus x less than a for a greater than 0, we can draw it on our number line. All right, because we know for modulus less than a, that means we have a positive and negative a. So the distance, the solution lies between these two with empty circle. All right, because our symbol is single here. Okay, this is for graph interpretation. How about we look at its algebra? All right, for algebra, modulus a less than a is actually x is more than negative a less than a. All right, or you can put it as x greater than negative a and x less than a. And the symbol n here, you can change it, use the intersection symbol. All right, so this is for our number 1. Let's look at number 2. What do we have? Modulus x less or equal to a for a greater equal to 0. All right, so here is the symbol double there. We're still playing with a and negative a, so our solution is involving dense circle. All right, because the symbol is double. All right, for algebra, let's go as x greater or equal to negative a less or equal to a, or x greater or equal to negative a and x less or equal to a, or we can change the symbol using the intersection symbol. Okay, so what is different actually between the number 1 and number 2? Here is the difference. All right, when you have a single, so here will be empty circle, but here will be dense circle. Okay, the symbol maintained according to the equations. Can you see? Okay, it also continues here. All right, so here is double. All right, so next let's look at number 3. What do we have? We have a modulus, we have modulus x greater than a. All right, so for a greater than 0. Let's draw. Because we are involving a, so we still have modulus x and a, so means we have a and negative a. Okay, for this one, maybe you can't see straight away, so let's do the algebraic method first. We have modulus x greater than a, so that means you have x greater than a and x less than negative a. Am I right? You put it into, as one is positive, another one is negative. When another one is negative involving modulus, that means we have to put negative here. Alright, here you can't use and, you have to use or. Okay, so it will be, I will explain later on. We can arrange the value by putting the small one here, or means the symbol union x greater than a. So that means our number line will be from negative a to the left and from a to the right. Okay, let's go to the number 4. What do we have? Our last one properties is modulus x greater or equal to a for a greater equal to 0. Okay, so for this one, let's start with our algebra method first. Alright, for algebra, you have this one. Okay, let's put it in a positive. That's one side. Negative on the other side, negative a, so you need to change it, you need to reverse the sign, so it will be x less or equal to a. Here will be r. Okay, so we can put the smallest on the left, less or equal to negative a union x greater equal to a. If you are confused, actually I just rearrange. Alright, it's just the same thing, I just rearrange. Okay, so here is we use r. So by this, we can draw our number line, negative a and a. So less or equal to negative a means double to the left, greater, then circle to the right. Okay, so this is all about. If you can see, I will make two different between less and greater. Okay, if you can see here, for the last one, either it is single or double, if you define the value, okay, the number line that you get is between them, or we can say it as intersection. Okay, between them. That's why you need to use symbol and there. Alright, symbol and here and here. Okay, let's look at next one, which is our greater. For greater, okay, you can see here either single or double. If you draw the value, it will be the opposite one. One is to the left, another one is to the right. So here you need to use r as your symbol. Okay, so we can make conclusion here. It depends on our modulus x. Alright, either it is less or less equal, yeah, or it is greater equal. If it is less or less equal, you need to use intersection, and if it is greater equal, you need to use union symbol. Okay, for us to identify where's our conclusion or our solution lies. Okay, so this is what we get from our properties. Alright.